Craving for dynamite and crab rangoon, pero walang budget? Bakit hindi na lang natin pagsamahin?
Hi, my name is Princess Charlotte Tolosa from Beach 601. For today's video, we will make tuna dynamite rangoon.
Napakadali lang gawin nito in just 3 steps. All you need to do is mix, wrap, and fry. But first, let's do the mise en place. Chop your cheese into chunks and chop your chili and red bell pepper. Lumpia dynamite is basically a stuffed chili wrapped in envelopper and deep fried. This is originated in the Philippines, while crab rangoon is a molar wrapper stuffed with crab sticks, chunks, and cream cheese that is mostly served in American Chinese restaurants. These are the ingredients needed in our tuna dynamite rangoon. The ingredients needed is tuna, mayonnaise, onion and garlic, salt and pepper to taste, chili, red bell pepper, mole wrapper, and cheese. In a large bowl, combine all the ingredients. Tuna dynamite rangoon is best served with sweet chili sauce. This is also perfect bonding with your loved ones dahil napakadali lang niyang gawin at the same time sobrang sarap. Sinisigurado ko na kakailanganin niyo ng assistant while doing this dish since madaling masunog ang mala wrapper. Now it's time to assemble. Grab a small amount of tuna mixture and gently press the middle and fold it into a rectangular shape and seal it with water and gently pinch it. Just repeat the process in all batches. Now, when you're frying your tuna dynamite rangoon, make sure the oil is hot and set it into low heat para hindi agad masunog ng water. Especially if gagawin ito mag-isa, pero kung mag-isang kang nagawa nito, much better. After frying, make sure to drain the excess oil. Now serve one half and serve it with chili sauce.
So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.